Treasure. This is Tierra.
And Kenzie.
Today we're going to be showing you how to get a garden started. We're going to be cleaning and prepping the bed and planting some cilantro seeds and some radishes. Woo! Hi, so first we're going to start by hoeing up the dirt and just moving everything around and taking out the trash. So now we're going to start by just adding some new dirt on top to help replenish the plants that we're planting. Next, we're going to start by just making rows so we can make sure that all the seeds are planted evenly.
Okay guys, so we're about to officially plant our seeds now. Don't mind Madden just chilling, eating his bone in the background. But when you guys are planting seeds, make sure that you guys are following the directions on the back of the packet. So for example, for cilantro, it says sow directly in full sun after all danger of frost is past. For best results, thin plants to 6 inches apart when 2 inches tall. So make sure you guys are following the directions. And then on the front, it will give you like fun little things that you can make with whatever it is you're planting. So for example, the cilantro says spicy sharp for salsa. So it's good to mix in with your salsa. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, so now I have some radish seeds in my hands. So as the direction says, it takes 2 seeds to plant for every inch. So I'm going to do that right now. So that is it. We just planted our radishes. Next, we're gonna go and do our cilantro. So I'll check back up with you guys after I put the cilantro in some holes. Hi again. So now that I have planted the cilantro and the radishes, I have them in 2 lines. The radishes are here, the cilantro is here. I'm going to water the bed quite generously. So now that I am done with that, next we are going to show you how to make the seed packets into little placements so you know what is what and you'll never lose track. Okay guys, so now we're going to show you how to make little placers for your garden so you never lose track of what you planted. So we're going to start by showing you with just one. We're going to use the cilantro. So I went ahead and taped the top because I ripped the top off, and open the bottom so we can put a popsicle stick in for our placer in the dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I taped the top right here and I'm just gonna stick the popsicle stick in. We are also on our popsicle stick right here at the bottom. We're gonna write the date. So now that we have the date right here, I'm just going to take some tape and tape the bottom. You also can use the tape if you are afraid it's gonna rain and ruin the paper. You can tape over it. We're not gonna do this in this case.
Laminate it. Laminate the entire packet.
And then, so we're gonna tape it one more time for safety. And now we can see when we planted them. So this is the date today. And on the back, we can always keep track of right here when they are supposed to sprout and germinate. So this is your placer. So we're gonna go in the garden and place both of our placers. And then next, we are going to tell you a little bit of the watering system we have here. I'm going to talk about a watering system that we have going on. This is the Rainbird watering system. You can get them from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Ace Hardware. So what we see, we're showing you in a different box because we haven't set it up in the box we just planted in yet. This every morning will automatically water the plants. It's set to 5:45 in the morning. These are nice because when you go out of town, they will automatically water your plants for you, but it is therapeutic to water your own plants. So if you want to do that, you totally can. You do not have to go out and buy a watering system, but here we're going to show you how this kind of looks a little bit. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was helpful. We will keep you guys updated when the vegetables and herbs start sprouting, so stay tuned.
Bye guys.